This cabin was in a terrible state of disrepair. We redid the porch, put a new roof on it, cleaned all the logs and treated them, redid all the chinking, replaced the windows. All of those things with the help of the Idaho Heritage Trust.
It was a mess, but it was beautiful. And I think the work that you do out here starts to take on another kind of cast because you feel like you're doing something important. You know, you feel very, very dedicated to it. And there's almost a spiritual way that I think we've begun to see this place.
The last 15, 20 years that Francis was here and those owners, they were too old to do the work, and that's why the place declined. We didn't want that to happen. We're aging, we need to start looking for the next conservation owner of Campbell's Ferry. We had tens of thousands of people take a look at this place, but they would look at the easement and say, what do you mean I can't drive to the place? What do you mean I can't build my own house or McMansion? What do you mean the public is allowed to come up here? So all those folks, the easement stopped. And where we ended up was with a couple that's happily looking for their own place in the backcountry and are perfectly happy to come out here and live in 512 square feet.
We've always worked hard, and this is now gonna be a labor of love and not just working to work.
We've owned a cattle ranch, so we've done a little bit of everything, and we love this place, and we're super excited to take it on to the next generation.
We found the right people, and the easement dictated that when we met these people and have got to know them.
So excited. We're so excited. We cannot believe it.
You just know that the ferry, as long live the ferry will be okay.
The sale happened quicker than either of us thought. We thought we'd be here this whole year. We thought it would take a longer time. This is a grieving process for us because, you've cared for something for so long. And we are embedded in this place. And when we walk away, part of us stays in this ground. It will never leave me. I know this. And honestly, it's become one of the things we treasure the most, is that kind of solitude for the two of us to be together. That was a gradual evolution through, I think, our time here.